Hey guys, how are you all? It's Abhishek from Decofly. So what you are seeing me holding in my hand is called Saraswati Yantra metal wall art. So this is a perfect gifting option, guys. So this is also for worship and also for used as a gifting option. If you are bored with the regular gifts and all, this will be a perfect gift for your loved ones and for you as well. So this is actually, it is believed that if you worship this Saraswati Yantra, so this is a yantra of Ma Saraswati, so it will bring blessings and more opportunities and blessings of Ma Saraswati in your life. You can definitely Google the benefits of this yantra. So this size, I will tell you, this is 24 inches and this is 22 inches. So 24 by 22 inches is the size. This is the large size and this will enhance the decor of your room like anything, guys. So it is very easy to hang also. We have provided 3 holes, 1 2 3 holes over here. We will give you the golden screws as well, so you can just fix it at your wall, something like this. So it will look very trendy. And guys, please make note that distance from the wall to this art should be around 2 centimeters, so you will get a shadow effect like this. So don't entirely fix like this, it will not look good. So it will be like this, it will give you a shadow effect. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video and this product. So these are the export quality materials, so definitely no issue with the quality and all those stuffs. So I hope you like this product and